Bitcoin has broken down of this symmetrical triangle. But guys, do not get fooled, because this is a huge Bitcoin bear trap. And I am going to be exactly explaining why. On top of that, Bitcoin might be creating over here a very new consolidation pattern. And we need to have a look into what's a longer term Bitcoin cycle, because on-chain data is still suggesting that we have a little bit more upside potential for this rally. But we can actually be seeing that the Nupo chart is very close to topping out. So guys, I have used on-chain indicators to basically predict every single top, every single bottom, and also every single mid-cycle top. So well, this is going to be very important. So can we once again smash up that like button above the 50 likes? That would be amazing. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's at imminent short term. And at first sight, this breakdown that we were having a look in towards is actually looking quite bad. But we can be seeing that we already reached our price target of this breakdown. If we measure our target, we exactly reached our price target over here. And having a deeper look into what's the actual Bitcoin charts, well, yes, we are breaking down below support and testing it as resistance right now. But having a look into what some other charts, well, we still do have that CME gap because we are in Christmas weekend, and that CME gap is still definitely above us. We already do have another CME gap above us, and if we were to be creating two CME gaps above us, I definitely do think we can be seeing some more upside potential. But either way, I do think this CME gap over here is going to be getting filled because we do have a lot of liquidity lying above us. We have already taken out our downside liquidity over here with actually this recent liquidity grab towards the downside. But right now, we pretty much only have liquidity left towards the upside. So yeah, I would not be surprised to see this liquidity getting grabbed. After that, it is going to be very important to hold our previous resistance then as support. And if we can be doing that, if we are going to be succeeding in that, I think we can easily reach targets above the 46k level. So it is going to be important for the imminent short term to keep in mind that at first sight, it is looking quite bad. But we are having a lot of bullish charts. Liquidity is sitting above us. Having a look into what's the funding rates, well, they are coming back towards neutral areas, which is exactly what we want for another pump to continue. Majority of the Bitcoin long positions have right now been wiped out of the market, which is a very bullish thing for the market. We are getting very close towards our approval window of our spot Bitcoin ETFs, which basically this whole spot Bitcoin ETF narrative has been causing this insane rally towards the upside. So I do think leading in towards this spot Bitcoin ETF approval window, we are remaining to be holding our uptrend right here and remaining to be seeing more pumps happening. So yeah, our spot Bitcoin ETF approval is coming very close, and that is just another reason why probably this dump is just going to be a bear trap. And because of all of this, I'd like to have a look into what's this new consolidation pattern. As you can be seeing, this support level is holding us up very nicely, and as well, this resistance has been getting rejected many times already. So definitely for me, this is going to be the pattern to watch. I'm going to be very interested in trading this breakout. I think, in my opinion, this breakout will be massive. And guys, if you are as well going to be interested in trading, make sure to go ahead towards the link in the description, because you can right now claim a free $1,000 trade on Bybit. So make sure to click on that link in the description and claim your free airdrop position. And for the longer term, which is actually getting much closer than we actually think, well, it is very important to understand where exactly we are in the cycle, and I still believe we are going to be seeing this mid-cycle top. And after this mid-cycle top, we can be seeing a pretty severe correction. On average, it was about minus 50%, but in this case, I do think it will be much closer towards about minus 30%. So usually, we can be seeing this mid-cycle top after hitting our previous drop-off point at the start of the bear market. And in this case, This level is at that 48k level, which is why this level has been so important for me. I have been having a look into what's that 48k target for so many times. This has been my longer term target for so many times, but having a look into what's on-chain indicators, well yeah, it is still looking like we have a little bit more room for upside potential in this rally. But having a look into what's the Newport chart, which is one very accurate on-chain indicator in my opinion, this indicator has been predicting many tops, many bottoms, and also many mid-cycle tops. Well, only on this indicator we can already be seeing that we are getting very close to topping out. Now on the other indicators, it is still looking like we have some more upside potential, and having a look into what's the actual price chart, yes, we are getting very close as well towards that 48k target. So in my opinion, we can very well still reach that 48k target, then see our mid-cycle top, see a larger correction, and then after the Bitcoin halving, see exponential price rallies towards the upside. And because of that exactly, because we have still a little bit more room for upside potential left, I still do think we can be reaching higher numbers right here up to the 48k target and then see a larger correction. That is just going to be perfect in this Bitcoin cycle, just like all of these other previous cycles. If we have a look into what's history, this is going to be very likely to be happening. So guys, that is also exactly the reason why I'm going to be very interested in trading this new ascending triangle. And that is also going to be the reason why I still do think this is going to be a pretty good bear trap. And if we were to be headed even lower, I think it is even going to be an even bigger bear trap in my opinion. So guys, keep that in mind. I will be keeping you guys up to date on my Twitter profile, so make sure to be following that. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.